which I just added, is pound JPY. This also is kind of on the move, already. Let's look at the daily. The daily, this is what we have on the daily. The daily actually does not look so great. However, this remains a bullish trend on the daily time frame. But let's look at the H4, the 4-hour chart. What do we have? We have a very good bullish trend as well on the H4. And what we can see here also is price is testing a very good level. In this case, price has created this high for some time, and price is testing that very high one more time. So we have this high which is being tested, that very high. So this is more like a triple top that is playing out right now on GJ. So this triple top, price has also created a new high. Remember, I told you this is a bullish trend on the H4 chart. So price has done something like this, and right now what we see here is price has created a triple top. So this looks more like price is setting up for a possible correction on this bullish trend. But let's look at it on the H1 for extra confirmation, so we can have the right places to pick entries. So this is the H1 charts. It looks more easier to understand. So the H1 charts, I can simply, let me clear off. So we have something like this. Price is doing something like this on the H1. So looking at what price has done here, you can tell that this is a bullish trend, right? And on this bullish trend, we have price reacting to this level right there. And the next level to watch out for is this low here. So right from that very spot, you can see what price has done here. Price did a very good double top confirmation right there. So from this double top, you know what the play is. You should know what the play is. So this has given us a very good chance for a potential short. This is a possible short in this market. So for as long as that zone, this zone up here does not break, we have a possible short-term short in these markets. Very easy to understand, very easy to see. So we have here about 130 pips, about 130 pips potential in this case. So let's watch out for that. Likewise, you have your second TP, you have your second TP somewhere around here. So TP1, TP2, you can have it just like that. So for as long as this zone up here does not break, this bullish trend remains a very good trend, and then we have to keep our eyes open to see what price is going to do on that levels. So GJ, if you have your entries in, you are good to go. Or you may need to wait for some time for price to give you a good price to have your entries in this mode. So that is GJ, and the tech service, the private service going on from next week is going to be covering a lot of these kind of sessions. Also, we have a private Telegram where we can also keep up with whatever price is doing at every point in time. Likewise, I'll be giving support, one-on-one support, and trading help to whoever needs it. So there'll be trading analysis, there'll be setups and opportunities at every point in time, and also there'll be some education as well. Everything I've just done here is really a lot of education for those who have an open mind to grab them, right? So this will be going live. We are taking entries for now, and I believe by next week, market open, we should be good to go live on this. So for those who may be interested in this kind of service, you can just hit me up on Telegram at BB Forex, and then we can set you up with this service. So that'll be all for now, and we'll be back again another time. Peace.